excellence, leadership, and extraordinary achievement. Let us welcome the remarkable leaders and the powerhouse of Royale.
From Global Changers, Miss Melogene Manalo.
Today, we will recognize hard-working Royalistas.
Good afternoon, Royalistas!
Welcome everyone to the Royal Annual Pinnacle Awards. Tonight is not just awards night. Itong araw po na ito ay isang selebrasyon ng mga pangarap na naabot, mga buhay na nagbago, at isang kumpanyang pinagtibay ng 2 dekada.
So more than just an awarding ceremony, this is a celebration of growth, milestones, and inspiring journeys behind every achievement we will witness today.
Another awardee is Mr. Rochin Christian Manalo.
And for our number 3 spot,
May we call on stage
Miss Melogene Manalo!
Sana nandito po ngayon at bagong pasok pa lang o yung mga guests po natin. Wala na po tayong ipangahanapin na kumpanya kundi ang Royal. Napanggit po talaga sa akin, Chairman, Miss Mary G, galingan mo. Kasi na-vision ko. Nakikita ko ikaw yung magta-top 1 next year pag ginawa mo yung 18 ways na her.
And now, the number 1 for Royale 2025, a medical technologist by profession, a consistent top 1 for the past 10 years of Royale Satellite Center. And now, the top 1 of Royale, no other than Miss Melogene Manalo!
At 10 years, top 1 of the Royal Satellite Center. And now, the top 1 distributor of Royal 2025.
After 17 years of doing this business, nakuha ko rin po yung upuan. Imagine 17 years of doing ko yan! Ang tagal pong panahon pinangarap ko to, pero ngayon ko lang nakuha. Si mga Royalistas, alam niyo po ba, para makuha mo yung success, hindi po kailangan ikaw yung pinakamagaling. I know mas maraming mas magagaling sa akin dito. Mas maraming may energy. But pag ginawa mo ng tama yung Royal, ginawa mo yung sistema, makukuha mo po yung tagumpay. So I hope lahat ng team, buhatin natin ang Royal business niya.
And tonight, we celebrate the people who continue to make it greater. Tandaan mo natin, in any competition, there are no losers. You only win or you learn.
This is Melogene Manuel Manalo, and I'm proud to be Royal.